Today I'm going to replace the elastic on this Ridge wallet. The Ridge wallet has a lifetime warranty, so when the elastic gets stretched out from sticking cards in there and gets kind of worn, maybe doesn't hold as tight as it should, you can contact Ridge and they'll give you a new set of elastic for it. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick video on how to get that replaced. So this is my Ridge wallet. This is the box it came in, and this is the replacement elastic they sent. If you do buy a Ridge wallet and you have to do a warranty call on it, you're going to need to give the serial number, which you can find right here. Serial number and your information, and then they'll ask you to take a couple pictures of it so they can make sure they're replacing the right piece for you. So I'll go ahead and take my cards out of here. And in the box that you get when you buy a Ridge is a little screwdriver. So you'll want to hang on to that. And there it is, little tiny Torx. I'm not going to read any directions on this. If there are any, it should be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to start by taking these screws out. Dusty little thing. Okay, so that's going to be super simple. I've never seen obviously the inside of this or the construction of it, but it looks like it's going to be super simple. I've had this thing for several years, and I put in way more cards than they say you can, so it's definitely been stretched more than it should have been, but it's still actually doing pretty well for being as worn as it is. All right, so that's basically it. This is going to come off. Get your two pieces. Get that just cleaned up a little bit, just because we can. All right, and then get these guys dusted out. Of a simple but really effective design here, and it really helps cut down the bulk of a wallet. I used to have a leather wallet for years and years, and the wallet itself is bulky, and then you start putting stuff in it and it just gets bigger and bigger until you've got just a huge lump in your pocket. So that's kind of irritating to have all day carrying around like that. This is a lot more convenient, and it's got the money clip on the side too, which I like. All right, so here's our new piece. And it's basically, it's one strap around and one strap in the middle. So I'm sure it doesn't matter which way it goes. It just has to go around. And that little guy in the middle. Let's make sure it's in his grooves. And then we'll put it back together. And I didn't pay attention. I think that was the money clip side, and I don't think that matters either because it looks identical either way. Not magnetic, but that's all right. Usually on something like this, I would start the screws and not tighten them down, just because you want everything to line up. It's irritating when you go through and are tightening everything down, and then you get to the end or to the other side or whatever, and the holes aren't lined up, and you have to go back and loosen everything back up so the other screws will fit. I put these in order of which hole they came out of so they could go back in the same hole, just in case for any reason they were the screws were a different length, and they all look exactly the same, so I don't think that matters for this thing. Come out, straighten out. All right, got this side in, so we'll get these snugged up. Like everything else, you just want it snug enough to not go anywhere, but you don't want to strip the screwdriver or the screws, either the heads or the threads, so you can pretty much feel just with your fingers how tight it needs to be. This guy just sits on, and it's going to, looks like it's going to sit inside of that little section right there. Wow, these things are kind of a pain being so little. They do have some Loctite on them. You can see a little bit of the, I don't know if you can see it or not, but some of the blue on there. Probably not. Anyway, the Loctite helps them not loosen up and fall out during everyday use. All right, get these all snugged up. All right, and that should be it. It's a lot different than the one I had. This thing is nice and snug now. All right, get my cards put back in here. All right. There it is, just like new, except for that, which is worn from life. But yep, easy to do. Really appreciate having this wallet. It really cuts down on space in my pocket. So anyway, if you're interested, get yourself a Ridge. They're kind of spendy, 70 to 100 bucks, I think, depending on what you get. But like I said, I've had this one for years, and it's got a lifetime warranty. The only thing that could really go wrong is you can get scuffed up, or the elastic wears out, or just, I mean, mine was still elastic. It just didn't have quite the stretch that it used to. So they replaced that for free for me, and plan on having this for many years. I got my ridge at Shields in Sparks, Nevada, but I'm sure you can get them online, and I will put a link in the video so you guys can check out the site if you want to get your own ridge. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.